I got pencil cups in this great copper finish. I also found copper solar lights at the Dollar Tree, so I picked up 3 of each. I thought we could combine these together and make stringing lights, like 3 stringing solar lights, and make them kind of look industrial. I think these are so pretty. Now, I was trying to decide how in the world I was going to attach that in there. I didn't think glue would really keep that in there hanging upside down. And so I'll show you what I ended up doing. I was thinking if I can't really do that, I could kind of like sit it in there, but I would really need to kind of cut a hole in the wire to make it stay in place. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. The wire on these pencil cups is nice and thin, and so it's easy enough to cut with some wire cutters. These wire cutters I got at, I think, Lowe's. They're really pretty good. I like the fact that they're nice and small for my hand, and they work pretty well for cutting out wire. Now, I didn't want to make it too big, the hole, so I kind of started small on this one to kind of figure out what I was doing. I got a little bit faster on the other two. But I sit it in there, pushing it through. The tension really holds it into place. I don't think I really need to glue or anything. That wire tension is going to hold that into place as soon as I get it to the right size opening. Maybe a few more snips on this one. Again, I really want it to be snug. You won't have to worry about water gathering in this because it can go straight out from the bottom through the openings in the mesh. And the top of it will be kind of open like that. So the solar lights will be able to charge well. I think this is going to work really great. You can make put as many of these together as you needed a string of lights. And the great thing about this is that you won't need any electricity. So for the second one, I do the same thing. I just snip out a hole, try to get it somewhere towards the center, about the same size, and put my second light in there. What I'm going to use to string them together is the planter hanger chain from the Dollar Tree. I thought a chain would be really durable and it would be pretty easy to hang those up with that. I'm just going to leave it in black, but you could paint it in copper to match this if you're going to do the same color scheme as me, right? So I have 3 of mine, and here is the wire. It has a hook on top, and then it has 3 chains that come down that all have little hooks on them. So I really need 4, but my Dollar Tree only had 1 of these, so we're going to make this work. I'm going to go ahead and use like some pliers to remove that from the top of the hook. Now, one side is really easy because it's got the little clip on it, right? So I'm just going to clip that to the top of the pencil cup like that. And then I am going to do the same thing here on the other side. Clip it to the pencil cup like that. And I can just hang those chains on nails like that or hooks. Now for the middle section, I'm just going to take my extra wire here and I am going to cut it in half. So what I'm going to do is just bend it where I can go over and under this and then clip that on by closing it. I found that this chain was pretty heavy duty. You did have to apply a little muscle there. And then I'm going to figure out how long. I take the little clip off because I only have 1 clip at this point, so I can't really use those. And it looks like 1 piece can be removed, and then the 2 pieces will be the same length, so it can be evenly spaced like that, right? I open up this side as well, where I'll be able to go over the top of the pencil cup and put that on there. I just make sure that I'm working, they're separated into quarters, so just make sure you're working directly opposite when you go to attach your next chain here on the other side. So this is the leftover piece. I just open and close that with my pliers, making sure that I got it on there really good. And then one more, I just make sure I'm putting it on the right rung here, and I string that one on as well. So we have these industrial looking like can lights. They're really cool, and they're solar, so that's so much fun. It's kind of hard to show you here where I normally take pictures how big this is, but here is my string of 3 solar lights. Really pretty. Totally love the copper color on these, and just this would go with really any kind of decor and be really practical outside because you're not going to need any electricity, right? So this is what they look like lit up.